Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewer see in front of me DTU-1031, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the pen buttons functions on this pen of graphic tablet. So to do it, you just need to open the Wacom Center on your device, and here in the Wacom Center, choose Pen Settings, and here you will see the pen settings. And in the pen settings, you just need to choose here the right click, and you can change it to the other one. So here in the normal 1031 version, I have only one button, so I don't have two buttons like in X version. I have only one button, and for example, I want to use it like middle click. Great, that's it. Now this button will work like a middle click. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.